Hi guys, it's again Medha Pandey here, ready to discuss chapter 11 from the book The Power of Subconscious Mind. So, the chapter says your subconscious mind as a partner in success. In the previous chapter, we have discussed that the key to wealth is application of the laws of the subconscious mind by impregnating it with the idea of wealth. Besides, I am going to reveal a secret suggestion by the author. It is a trick which you might find hilarious to practice, but what's wrong in trying? But guess what? This is not going to come out now. You have to wait for this one till the end of the video. Let us first discuss 3 steps to success. So, the chapter defines success as a long period of peace, joy, and happiness. The chapter states that success is only success if you are able to retrieve peace in your mind about what you are doing. The chapter outlines 3 steps to success. Number 1. Figure out what is that one activity that you love to be involved in. Number 2. Excel in a particular branch of work. Number 3. Success should not be selfish. It must benefit humanity. Let us discuss these steps to success in short details. The first step to success is to find out the thing you love to do the most and then do it. Success is in loving your work. Say, a man is a psychiatrist. It is not enough for him to achieve a diploma and hang it on the wall. Rather, he must keep up with the times, attend conventions, and continue studying the human mind and its workings. The successful psychiatrist must visit clinics and read the latest scientific articles. The second step to success is to specialize in a particular branch of work and know more about it than anybody else. For example, if a young man chooses chemistry as his profession, he should give all of his time and attention to his chosen specialty. He should become sufficiently enthusiastic to try to know all there is available about his field. If possible, he should know the most possible. Basically, do not sit laid back and work more on your betterment with each passing day. The third step is the most crucial one. You must be 100% sure that the work you want to do does not rebound to your success only. In other words, your idea must go forth with the purpose of blessing or serving the world. It will then come back to you, pressed down, shaken together, and running over. If it is so, to benefit yourself exclusively, the circle or the complete circuit is not formed at all, and you may experience a short circuit in your life, which may consist of limitations or sickness. Now, how can you measure your success? Imagine your objective clearly. You will be provided with the necessities in ways you never knew of, in ways you never expected things to turn out. Through the wonder working of the power of subconscious mind, your passage would be cleared of any underlying obstacles. In considering the 3 steps to success, you must never forget the passionate power of the creative forces of your subconscious mind. This is the energy behind all other steps. The chapter states that the subconscious mind has a role to play in everything that you do. Proclaim things, and so will be done by your subconscious mind. Well, it's time to reveal the secret trick. It's a practice of repeating the word success several times in a clear voice and listen to what you speak daily. Do this in a peaceful and comfortable place and see what happens to your life. Or better, let's practice it together. I will be back sharing my experience and I will love to read your observations as well. It might take time, but patience is the key. So let's just hope that we become the one to complete this circle where we take from the universe and return to the universe. Till then, do what you love what you do, and if you want to know how to take guidance from your subconscious mind, watch our very next video on chapter 12 of the book Power of Subconscious Mind. Thank you.
Hi RR, I hope you must have liked our initiative of chapter-wise explanation of diverse novels. Thank you guys for all your love and support as we hit our first 300 plus subscribers. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel to stay updated for the videos we upload on every Saturday and Sunday at 7 p.m. Thank you and have a good day.